Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channels. In this video, we are going to discuss about microservices architectures. So first of all, I am going to explain what is the microservices. Then after, I am going to explain what is the architecture of the microservices. Like microservices architectures having a different database, multiple API, then after registry API, register API, then after API gateway. Apart from this, we have a client like Angular, React. So many things will be theirs. Okay, so one by one I am going to discuss everything. What is the whole architectures of the microservices? Because microservices architectures is little bit difficult. You have to understood and you have to give some time to understood the actually how we can manage this microservices architectures. Because earlier we are doing work on monolithic architectures, so there is no problem. We are doing everything in one project. For example, if you are using a SpringBoot without microservices, then you have to write JSP, servlet, and apart from this, all those API along with you have to develop all the UI part. So everything is combined in monolithics, but now we have to differentiate everything in the independently. So I'm going to discuss next. We are going to discuss like what is the need of microservices. For examples, if we are already develop all those API, already develop so many project. So what is the need of the microservices right now? Okay, so right now any project if you want to develop, then definitely you have to follow microservices because it is very popular in this market in IT sectors. So microservices is a little bit very important, so you have to understood. Okay, so let's start now. So first of all, I'm going to talk about what is microservices. If someone asks to you, please give me definition about the microservices, what you told. So simply you have to say microservices is not a language, microservices is not a technology, microservices is just a one design patterns and one architectures. With the help of these architectures, with the help of this design pattern, you can develop our project in the best way. Oh my god, awesome. Okay, so this is the definitions of the microservices, and if you want to know about depth, you just go to Google's and search about microservices. You can find out so many things. Okay, next, what is the architectures of microservices? Okay, before going to talk about architectures of the microservices, we have to talk about what is the monolithic architectures. Actually, we have doing all those projects earlier in monolithic architectures. So what is the monolithic architectures? Monolithic architecture, it means we are develop everything in one project, like UI part also, backend part also, database will be same, table may be same, maybe everything is same, and we are doing combined everything in one unit. For examples, this is my room. In this room, everything is available. Whatever you want, you just come and take this one and go back. You don't want to go anywhere. But problem is, in monolithic architectures, you have to understood very carefully. If everything is available in my room, for example, if everything is available in my room, so for examples, if something is in front of door, so first you have to separate this one, then go to one step forward, then finding everything, where is this. So finding problem VC will be occurred. Okay, one more things, everything is dependent on another things. For examples, if you do something wrong, that place will be affected in the monolithic architectures. For examples, if I try to say like in my project having a multiple modules, like doctor modules, admin modules, nurse modules, patient modules. Okay, so this is the different roles having a different modules, having a different access of the API. Okay, different endpoints. So what will happen when you when you remove something from the doctors, then patient will be affected. If you do something in database tables, then some other modules will be affected. Okay, I hope you understood what I am trying to say. Okay, so it is the dependent to each others. All those API, all those modules are dependent with each others. If someone is down, other one also down. For examples, and this application is running on single port numbers. If one application is down, one module is down, everything is shut down. So this is the different problems in monolithics. So there is so many problems. You just go on Google's and you just search it and find out. There is so many problems we can find out. But verbally I will told you what is the actual problems I will told you. Okay, so because of this dependency of API, dependency of modules, we are going to implement our project with microservices. And microservices will solve all those problems having in monolithic architectures. मतलब कि जो भी हम लोग को प्रॉब्लम अकर्ड होता था मोनोलिथिक आर्किटेक्चर्स में, उस सारे प्रॉब्लम को सोल्व कर दिया माइक्रो सर्विसेज आर्किटेक्चर्स. So this is the one of the latest microservices architectures, and we have to design our project with microservices architectures. And I will going to discuss about the benefits of the microservices architecture also. The benefit is, if one module is not working, for examples, if someone users is login module is working, like payment module is not working, so it is able to log in, it is able to access our everything, but he don't want to payment modules, then payment modules is not affected to all those API, all those modules. So every modules is independent way, every API is independent. One is working, another is not working. So you can easily find out this is not working, and you can easily go and there and you can solve it फटाफट आप कर लोगे. Because you can identify the problems in the static way. You can changes the problems in static way. You can solve the problems easily. But in monolithics, it is a very difficult to solve any problems, because all are classes, all the API, all the package in same project. UI also same. Okay, so it's a little bit difficult to manage it. I hope you understood what is the monolithic architectures. Now I am going to talk about like microservices architectures. So I hope you can see this. This is the microservices architectures. So this is not a complete microservices architectures. I will explain you later everything's in the different manners. For examples, I will tell you little bit something different. This is the microservices API. This is the service one, and this service having a particular database. So every API having our own database. Every API having our own database. So one database is not affected on another database. Another database is not affected on this database. One service is not going to affect on another service, and other service is not going to affect on other service. So independent will be happen. What happened? Independency will occur here, and everyone is independent. भारत का स्वस्थ नागरिक जो इंडिपेंडेंट है, किसी पे डिपेंडेंट नहीं बनना है. ठीक है, इस तरह से हमारे माइक्रो सर्विसेज आर्किटेक्चर वर्क करता है, एंड इट इज रियली वेरी नाइस वे. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज so I have a multiple API, multiple services, and multiple database. But in monolithics, we have to take only one database. This is the biggest problem also. And here you can combine multiple database. You can you can use Oracle also, Cloud also, Azure also, You can use database MongoDB also. So many database you can use, but that place you can't use multiple database. So it is one of the problems. You have a multiple separate API, but that place monolithics having these problems. It's everything combined in one place. Okay. So what is going to happen? What is the microservice architectures? I will explain in the little bit short. You have to develop a API like you have a modules like patient, doctor, nurse, and admin. So you have to develop multiple API. All those API are talking to one another clients. Like client is, it means React.js project or AngularJS project, Node.js project, anything, whatever you develop in client side for the UI part. So UI part is independent and the front-end part, back-end part is also independent. Whenever you want, you just call it and you can access it. So this is the independency will be happen. So for examples, in my company having three teams: iOS team, Android team, backend team, and also front-end team also, testing team also, QA team also, so many things. But we are going to focus only two teams like backend and front-end. So front-end will design with React.js, AngularJS, and backend will design with SpringBoot with Microservices API. So this is the complete architectures of the Spring Boot microservices, and we are independently talk to each other's services with React.js, AngularJS. Okay, so this will happen also. So I'm going to explain these architectures. Okay, so for examples, we have a multiple API. All these API are connected with one registry servers. Registry server, it means Eureka server. I hope you know about it. So Eureka server is a one place. This is a one also one API, and this API are connected to every API. I mean, all the API are registered with Eureka servers. All those API, whatever API you have in your project, you have to register all those API with one Eureka servers, and this Eureka servers is communicated with one API gateway, and this API gateway is also registered with Eureka server, and this API gateway are communicate with client side like React.js or AngularJS. So this is the complete architectures, and apart from this we have a database, separate database, we can manage it. Okay, so I hope you know about it. So completely it's solved. Now I'm going to discuss about in something different way. Okay, so give me some time. I will reduce this one. Okay, now fine. Now it's fine. Okay, so what will happen? I will design something for you. For examples, in my project having a multiple API like doctor API, patient API, nurse API, login API, register API. All those API are running on different port numbers like 8081, 8082, 8083, 8084, 8085. This is the different port numbers, and I have deployed all those API in the server. This is already running on the deploy on the servers. This is already running API, and I have already two database, like one is SQL database and one is MongoDB database. Yeah, maybe it's a cloud database, AWS, anything you can take. So this is the two database I have. Some API are communicated with this database, some API are communicated with this database. So you can write like that. For example, this API connected with this one also connected with this ones, or this one is connected with this one is connected with this ones. So this is the independent process. All those API are connected with each other's database. Okay, one more things, this is the service registry like Eureka server, and all those API we have to register with these servers. What server? These servers. All those API. For examples, you have a 10 API. So 10 API we have to register with Eureka server, and Eureka server is also one API. It will provide one separate environment, and in this environment you can register all those API in that place. So whatever API is theirs, is registered with this service registry. So you can write like all API is registered with Eureka server registry. Okay, so all those API are registered with this service registry, Eureka server you can use. And also this API gateway, I am using Joule for the API gateway. This is also registered with this one. Okay, so this is the common point. So what is this? This is the common point. For examples, मेला में क्या होता है, सब कोई मिलते हैं एक साथ किसी फेस्टिवल में, लाइक छठ दीपावली में. So we can celebrate all this is the API gateway, so we can say common, COMMON, common API. Common API, it means that this is the service registry and all those API gateway are registered with this service registry, so you can access through the service registry everything. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जैसे मुझे बात करना है, देखो मैं एक स्कूल में हूँ, तो एक स्कूल में मल्टीपल बच्चे हैं, मतलब बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं, और उस क्लास में बहुत सारे क्लासेस भी हैं. तो उस क्लास में मल्टीपल जब बच्चे हैं, बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं, तो एक बच्चा दूसरे बच्चा से बात कर सकता है, दूसरा बच्चा तीसरे बच्चे से बात कर सकता है. लेकिन ये सभी बच्चे एक स्टूडेंट, यानी कि सभी स्टूडेंट एक टीचर से कनेक्टेड होते हैं. किससे? टीचर से. तो ये जो सर्विस रजिस्ट्री है एक टीचर का रोल प्ले करता है. तो दिस सर्विस रजिस्ट्री इज प्लेइंग द रोल ऑफ द टीचर्स एंड दिस ऑल द API आर प्लेइंग द रोल्स ऑफ द स्टूडेंट. Okay, so this is all the student and this is are the teachers, and all those students are connected with this teacher. So teacher know about everyone. So teacher know about everyone students. So everyone about, I mean ki everyone parents, everyone name, everyone roll numbers. So teacher know about everyone, and anybody want to talk to him. Someone told about hey service registry, please give me the name of the doctor API. So he will give the details, all those things with service registry only. So service registry is behave like a teachers, and this teacher having a capability to communicate all those students, all those API. Okay, now we have to little bit think about the different way like API gateway. So API gateway is the very important. Without API gateway you can't do anything in microservices. So API gateway I am using with Joule. I have created API gateway with Joule. I am going to explain in the different video also everything. So this is the API gateway. What you are going to do in API gateway? So this is the service registry. You have to register all the services, all those API in one place. And what is the role of the API gateway? In API gateway, you have to clear the path. What it means? For example, guard. So API gateway is a one guard. It staying on the front of your company. Whatever you want, it will give you a directions. Go this side, go this side, go this side, go this side. मतलब अगर बोलना चाहे कि in my college having a one security guard, and security guard will take care about all those things about the colleges. So somebody came to my college. He told me, I want to go to the head office. I want to go to the head department. I want to go to the HOD department. I want to go to the teacher department. I want to go to the where? Some other place, library. So he will give you a directions, like security will give you a direction, a guard will give you a directions. you can go this way, you can go this way, you can go this way, you can go this way. Okay, so our API gateway is behave like that only. Whenever someone came, for example, any request will came. I explain. If someone came to my college and this is the security guard ask about you, who are you? So you have to tell I am Prince. Okay, you are Prince, what you want? So I have to tell I want to go to meet with HOD. So he will tell you, please go through this way, please go through this way. If somebody another people is came, he told, hey, I want to go in the teacher office. He told you, okay, who are you? So you have to do the roles like who are you. If you tell, yeah, I am this one, so okay, you can go this way, you can go this way, you can go this way. So this is the main role of the API gateway, will provide the security guard duty. So in this API gateway you can verify first two things like authorization, yeah, authentications, AUTHENTICATION, authentications, and this is the authentications. So API gateway handle about the authentication. Second, it is handle about role. Also it is handle about like token verification, TO, token verification. So all those things like authentication, you are right user or not, you are right person or not, security guard will verify in your door. So like that also API gateway behave like that, and it will give you a path, it will give you authentication, role, token verification. So for examples, if you are using SpringBoot, JWT, Spring Security, then you have to send, if someone send user ID and password, then you have to verify this is the right person or not. If it is available in database, then you have to collect the roles, this is the role is this one, okay. Then after you have to verify the token, whenever you want to access this one, so he have a token, then only I will give you the access those part. Okay, so all the security, all the authentication, all the role, all the token verification will handle by the API gateway. So you don't want to confuse. If you have any confuse, you can comment below in this video. I will take care of it, I will discuss about it with you. Okay, no problems. And this is the main role of the API gateway, and I am going to develop everything in the latest video, so I hope you understood in the very well. Okay, so this is the service registry API gateway, and the client is nothing but you can develop with React.js, like React.js, and also you can use Angular, Angular. So somebody use Angular.js, somebody use React.js, and you can develop this front end side, UI side. So this is totally different and this is totally different. So you can say this is the part of the backend. So you have to manage this part by the backend team. Okay, so I hope everything I have completed. I don't want to explain more than that because already video is very long. So if you have any doubt, you can comment below, I will discuss about it. Okay, so this is the main role of the API gateway, and API gateway will verify the authentication role and token verification. If you want to do, you can do this place, and this is the service registry. You can register all your API in that place, and this is the all the API whatever you need the service, and this is the database. Okay, so everything is completed. We can discuss later if something is required. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye.